Okay, this is a Purple Monster. That's what I dub all these lilac-colored Kenmores that weigh as much as a ship anchor. It's a Model 50. It is the lilac in color, all metal, of course. Straight zigzag machine with feed dog drop. It's a high shank machine with left homing needle. Class 15 bobbin. Now, the motor was replaced by another Kenmore motor. We put one of the light green 1.2 amp Kenmore motors on it because the original Purple motor worked, but it just made a lot of bearing noise and things like that, so I just felt more comfortable replacing the motor. So it does have a Kenmore motor on it. It's a 1.2 amp. It's the long bed Kenmore square bed. Cosmetically, it's fair to good. It does have some paint loss here, has a little ding here. It's not perfect, but it's still a heavy duty, nice working machine. Sorry if that light's shining in your eyes there. It's the light. But it comes with bobbins, PDF copy of the manual, and straight and zigzag foot. Like I said, it is a nice working machine. I used this machine all night last night to sew my blankets for the charity that I'm working for, my very own blanket. And sewed without a hitch. Of course, that wasn't heavy duty, but sewed 3 hours straight on there without a problem. And to go zigzag or to use creative embroidery, you have a spring-loaded knob, which is very cool. And creative embroidery is just where you adjust your width while you sew. And it'll make some fancy patterns. Uses 15 by 1 needles, size 9 to 18. Using a 16 needle for samples. Very cute. 6 layers of denim. Pulls that through smoothly. It's a nice stitch. 3 layers of garment leather. It's a nice weight too. It's not flimsy, yet it's not, like a knife sheath either. Does do nice if you have boat seats or a couple layers of vinyl upholstery to do. And 14 layers. Sometimes it helps if you get it started in the first stitch. Nice stitch there. And that is your heavy-duty 1.2 amp Purple Monster Kenmore Model 50 zigzag machine.